In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add your company logo to your LinkedIn profile. Let us dive right in, and start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you have launched your browser, navigate to LinkedIn.com. If you have been logged out, you will encounter the LinkedIn Sign In page. Here, you have a few options for logging in. You can choose to sign in using Google, Apple, or stick with the traditional method of entering your email address and password. Pick whichever method suits you best. If you have enabled two-factor authentication on your account, do not forget there will be an extra verification step. Usually, this involves receiving a code on your phone, which you will then enter on the site. It is a brief step, but it adds an important layer of security, ensuring your account is well protected. Once you successfully log in, you will find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Now, let us move on to the next step. Right at the top of your newsfeed, you will notice a box labeled Start a Post. Go ahead and click on that to begin crafting your message. This is where the fun truly begins. If you want to mention a company, simply type the @ symbol, followed by the company's name. As you type, LinkedIn's intuitive system will generate a list of potential matches. Carefully scan through this list, and once you spot the right company, simply click on it. This small action is quite powerful because LinkedIn will automatically convert the company name into a clickable link within your post. This not only facilitates direct access to the company's page for your connections, but also notifies the company that they have been mentioned, which can be great for engagement. With the company tagged, continue crafting your post. This is your space to share thoughts, experiences, or any message that you want to convey. Once you are satisfied with your content, take a moment to review everything meticulously. Proofreading is always a wise practice as it ensures your communication is both clear and professional. When you are happy with the final look of your post, there is only one thing left to do. Click Post to share it with your network. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you have mastered how to effectively add a company name to your LinkedIn post, boosting your engagement and visibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials and tips on optimizing your LinkedIn presence.